beach again, and
Turn left.
and Mommy, we just finished loading most of the stuff in the car. 72 minutes left to drive.
Hi, girl.
Mama's reading. You're reading somehow. You're reading in the car. And then I got my stuffed animal toys.
US 52 discount.
And we're getting on the bridge. You do the math. Yeah, but now bye. Hey guys, it's me, Paige from AT Fraley, and it is 10:20, and we had breakfast a little less than an hour ago. And I haven't vlogged, and I haven't gotten ready to go down to the beach, but like everyone else has, and I still have bedhead, and I haven't really done anything. We're gonna go down to the beach and eat lunch and go to the pool like I have every day. But tonight we are going to the Savannah Theater, and we're going to watch this like Broadway variety show, which is going to be really fun. We are down at the beach, and we're getting ready to go up for lunch. It's 1:13, and I went up and talked to that girl. Her name is Madison. She has a little sister named Molly. And okay. After I talked to her and I told her I saw her dancing yesterday, and I told her she was really good. Oh, sorry about that. She came and talked to me, and she asked if we wanted to ride the wave in together. And so we did, and the rest of the time we played and talked and tumbled and danced and floated, and our parents got to talk. And now they're eating lunch, and we're going up to eat lunch, but I think we're coming back.
Hey guys, we all got ready, and my mom, my dad, and I are going to go to the Savannah Theater, and we're going to watch Savannah Live, which is kind of like a Broadway review kind of thing, just kind of random songs, I guess. And we are in New York Pizza right now. And I colored this picture because I get kids' meals and I enjoy them. So it's Winnie the Pooh. See? Pooh, Tigger, Piglet, and they're having a picnic. It's so beautiful. See Savannah, and I'm gonna stop like recording from now on because our show's gonna be a long time. It's gonna be a long time until we get back to the hotel. But I'll probably just insert my pictures. We're in Chippewa Square, which is really cool. And the theater's right here. You can kind of see it. But we are watching Savannah Live.